In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Copilot for Word. Before we begin, it's important to understand one key detail. Copilot in Microsoft Word is a premium AI feature, and it only appears if your Microsoft 365 account has a qualifying subscription. Because of that, some users may not even see the Copilot setting in Word at all. That's completely normal, and it simply means the feature is not available on that account. To get started, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click File. This will open the main File menu where you can access Word settings and preferences. From there, look near the bottom of the left side menu and click Options. This will open the Word Options window, which is where you can manage many of the app's features and customization settings. Now, this is the part where availability matters. If your account does not include the required Microsoft 365 subscription, you may notice that there is no Copilot section anywhere in the Options menu. If that happens, there's nothing else you need to do, because Copilot is not enabled for your version of Word in the first place. If you do have the appropriate subscription, you should see a Copilot option listed on the left side of the Word Options window. Go ahead and click that section. Inside, you'll find the setting that controls whether Copilot is active in Word. Next, look for the Copilot checkbox. If the box is currently checked, that means Copilot is turned on. To disable it, simply untick that checkbox. This tells Word that you no longer want Copilot enabled in the app. After you've unchecked the setting, confirm the change if needed, and then close the Options window. The final step is to restart Microsoft Word. Closing and reopening the app is important because it allows the setting to fully apply. Once Word opens again, Copilot should be turned off. If you're following along and don't see the Copilot option, remember that the feature only shows up for supported Microsoft 365 plans. So the absence of that setting usually means there's nothing to disable, and that's all there is to it. Open Word, go to File, then Options, select Copilot if it appears, uncheck the box and restart the app. After that, Copilot will be off in Word.